Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential piece of gear for any audio enthusiast, musician, or sound engineer. The Twozoh XLR male to 1.4 TRS stereo audio cable, specifically the 30-foot, 2-pack offering. This isn't just another cable. It's a thoughtfully designed solution for a multitude of audio needs, promising both professional performance and high-fidelity sound. Right out of the box, one immediately notices the robust construction. The braided jack on the 6.35 mend isn't just for aesthetics. It significantly enhances durability and helps prevent tangling, a common frustration with standard cables. This kind of build quality suggests a product designed to withstand the rigors of live performances, studio sessions, and frequent setup changes. The XLR male 3-pin connector is standard, ensuring a secure and reliable connection to microphones, mixers, audio interfaces, and powered speakers. The versatility of having an XLR male on one end and a 1.4 TRS stereo on the other means this cable can bridge the gap between a wide array of professional audio equipment, making it incredibly useful for various applications, from connecting a condenser microphone to an audio interface, to linking a guitar pedal board to a mixer, or even running stereo signals from a keyboard. The 30-foot length is a significant advantage, offering ample reach for larger stages, studios, or when equipment needs to be spread out. This eliminates the need for extension cables, which can sometimes introduce signal degradation or additional points of failure. Having a 2-pack is another brilliant aspect of this offering. It provides immediate value and convenience, allowing users to set up stereo connections, mic two sources simultaneously, or simply have a reliable backup cable on hand. This foresight in packaging truly caters to the practical needs of audio professionals and hobbyists alike. When it comes to performance, the professional hi-fi designation isn't just marketing jargon. These cables are engineered to deliver a clean, clear audio signal with minimal interference. Users can expect a noticeable difference in sound clarity, especially when compared to cheaper, unshielded alternatives. The design aims to preserve the integrity of the audio, ensuring that the nuances of an instrument or vocal performance are accurately transmitted. As a dedicated guitar cable, it performs exceptionally well, maintaining the instrument's tone without introducing unwanted noise or hum, which is crucial for both recording and live sound. In summary, the Twozoh XLR male to 1.4 TRS stereo audio cable 30FT2 pack stands out as a highly reliable and versatile option. Its durable braided construction, generous length, and the convenience of a 2-pack make it an excellent investment for anyone serious about their audio setup. It's a product that delivers on its promise of professional-grade performance and high-fidelity sound, making it a go-to choice for connecting various audio components with confidence and clarity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.